Hello, it's Vijesh Agarwal. Here's my UML class diagram because we're walking through that first. I'm reading a script on the other screen that you can't see. I am so sorry, coach. I would be pointing to things, but I'm currently just using my cursor to point at my text. Here's the UML class diagram. At the top is stable product. At the base class, it holds the four properties every product needs: the name, description, price, and quantity, along with getters and toStrings method, which three classes extend stable products, weapons, and which adds damage ratings to armor, which adds the defense rating and health potion, which adds healing amounts. This is where I am using inheritance. Each subclass uses the base products and adds what makes it unique. Below that, inventory manager. It holds a lot of products that store and handles adding, removing, finding, adjusting stock, shopping cart. There's something similar, but for whatever the game uses has a price and sell for it. Times it all together. It has an inventory manager. It has a shopping cart. Oh, oh yeah, it has a shopping cart and it exposes the methods. Next, we will go through the flowchart. I am so sorry for that mix-up. I just read the same stuff and I got confused. This flowchart is not that good. A lot of cutoffs. I really rushed through this. I'm so sorry. First, we start at initialize store, display menu, user choice 1, 2, 3, or 5. 5 is exit, 1 is continue to private inventory, to print results. Number 4 is print chart. Number 2 is purchase, and product name. Is stock, yes. And decrease stocks, add production, increase stock, print results, print error, no. Print number 3, remove product, shopping cart. That's about it. Now we are going to go to Eclipse. I hope your eyes are okay because mine are not. Here's the base class for a stable product. I am so sorry. Here is the base class for private fields. Name, description, price, quantity, with setting getters and setters, and toy strings. That format everything nicely to the console. Every class in my hierarchy inherits this one. And next, we're going through weapon, armor, health potion, and Java. Each of these are like sub products. Basically, the things you'll see in the store: health amount, health potion, defense rating, and damage rating. Next, we're going to go through inventory manager. This class manages the store's inventory, adds a list, stable products, add products, and remove products. They are straightforward, find by name, does a case intensify, search this and stock, and increase stock amounts. Increment stocks. Adjust quantity, decrease print stock, print inventory, and print everything. Next is shopping carts. This class manages the store inventory, add a list, and stable products, and remove the products. As a it is straightforward basically. Find by name, does a case intensive, returns false, returns false if there is enough in stocks. Okay, well just return as like a bad error if there's not enough in stock. That's what I'm trying to say. which is how I prevent overselling. Well, I'm sorry, which is how we prevent overselling in this code. Next, we're going to go to storefront. This is the main application class the constructors creates, and the inventory manager and shopping cart and calls initial stories, which hard codes my string inventory, 3 weapons, 2 armor pieces, and 2 health potions. Purchase product, it looks up the item, check if the stock is there, and if it's available, determines inventory to the cart. Cancel purchase, this is reversed, and at the start, the actual console loop, and it bottom like menu, and it's user choice whether a scanner, and this dispatched it to the right method, right statement. Now we go to main. Main just creates the storefront, runs quick programs demo, purchasing, and canceling items so you can see and how it works. And next is Java Doc. I do have it. In the here here we have it. Let me just go back to my script. I also documented everything, every class comment. Here's a where the site you can see the class description, constructors, details, code. But for now, let's run this. First, let's view inventory. We got Iron Sword, Elven Bow, Battle Axe, Light Armor, Chainmail, Major, and Minor Potion. Let's purchase something. Let's just choose Battle Axe. Purchase is fundamental. I found the item. The criminal. Let me show you my cards. As you can see, it shows the minor health potion and the battle axe. Now, let's just exit. There we go. That's about it, coach. I hope you enjoyed this, and hope I impressed this enough, and have a good night.